To set up custom notification sound on the Redmi Note 14s, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you have to scroll down a little bit and go for the sound and vibration and go for the notifications. Now you are being forwarded into this themes application, and from here you would like to select this choose local ringtone. Let's go in there and here select audio files. And as you are here, you simply have to select any of these audio files that you'd like to select as the notification sound. In my case it is this one, and from here press this OK button. And from here you can now select this sound as the notification sound or any other sound basically. So now as we have this sound, our custom sound, press apply and select the notification right here. And now the changes has been applied successfully, and as we go back, now we can see that for these notifications we have this custom sound applied right here. So that's how we can do this.